Earthquakes can also spread fire, or earthquakes can cause firestorm. When vibration of earthquake breaks a main pipeline of gas or petrol, it can generate firestorm, which may destroy farms, factories, and houses. For instance, the Japan earthquake in 1923 caused a firestorm which made over 10 storms to rage through Tokyo and Yokohama cities, killing about 143,000 people. So this is a firestorm caused by an earthquake. You can see how intense and severe it is. That is another effect of an earthquake.